Hello again. I picked this lovely Papaiz CR50 the other day on video for the, it was the Get Well Cherokee video, and it took for ages to get it open. I've got no key for it, but I got it open in the end. I think Cherokee got well before I finished picking it, to be honest. But anyway, that's another story. I've just got this one through the post, and it's the smaller version, so it must be the CR40, but there's nothing wrote on it. But the beauty of this one is it's got a key. Old and worn key, but nevertheless, still a working key. So I'm going to have a go at picking this one. But to have a bit of fun with it, because we picked an Papaiz with my homemade Brummie lock picker pick and my homemade tension tool at the brass strap. We had a bit of fun picking a lock, an Papaiz 6550 on my last video. And it was sort of England against Germany, because Papaiz is a German lock. So I'm going to continue the theme today. And again, it's going to be the Brummie with the brass strap against the one and only Brazil. So let's see how we get on against the best team in the world, the Brazilians. So let's have a go. If it's anything like that CR50, it could take a while. I mean, I picked the CR50 with decent pick as well, not a brass strap. Brass strap under wire, as Roy Salmons would say. Well, his wife apparently told him I was saying it wrong. It's an underwire. So we're tackling Germany with a brass strap underwire. I think I'm a bit heavy on my tension here. I think that's my downfall. I think it is for a lot of pickers, to be honest, the tension. I start off with light tension and I'll just slowly go into more heavier tension. There's a pin, deep pin right in the middle. It's causing me problems. Sorry, I went off camera again, didn't I? So there we go. Brazil have fallen again to the Brummie with a brass strap. Yeah, lovely like that. That's it for today then. Once again, the Brummie with the brass strap fights on. I've done the Germans. I've done Brazil. Who can I tackle next? I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. As always, take care, and that's it for now. So, try it a bit.